Hello, can you answer this activity entitled What Comes Next? Wherein you have to find the rule or pattern, then write the next two terms of each. You might want to pause this video for you to answer. Okay? It's because our topic for today is about sequence. Our goal for today is to define and illustrate a sequence and to generate a sequence based on the given rule. But first, let's define what is sequence. Okay, when you say sequence, it is a list of numbers which follows a pattern. Okay. Most common example of sequence is skip counting and counting by multiples. Here are some of the examples of sequence. 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, and 13, wherein the pattern shows that we just add by 2. Okay? And another example, we have 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. Okay? Wherein we just add by 4. Okay. Now, aside from that, okay, in sequence, the number is what we call a term. Okay, the number that you see. Okay, and the 3 dots that you see at the end of the sequence is what we call the ellipses, because it indicates that there are many more terms that follows. Okay. Examples of sequence by skip counting by 4, wherein we just have to follow the given rule. So it says in the rule that we start at 5 and then we repeatedly add 4 to generate more numbers. So the sequence that we may generate is in the form of this. Starting by 5, then add by 4, that's 9, add by 4, 13, add by 4, 17, then add by 4, 21. Okay, and so on. Okay, next. Skip counting by 7, same process. Okay, according to rule, we start at 3 and then we repeatedly add 7 to generate more number. Okay, so start at 3 plus 7, 10, plus 7, 17, plus 7, 24, plus 7, 31. Okay, next, counting by multiples of 2, and we already know this. It's like multiplication. Yan. Okay, so the rule is 2n. Okay, where n is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, or the set of the counting numbers. Okay, counting numbers always starts with 1. Okay, so if we count by multiples of 2 and we're going to apply the formula or the rule 2n, okay, we just have to substitute the given counting numbers. So 2 times 1, that's 2. 2 times 2, 4. 2 times 3, 6. 2 times 4, 8. 2 times 5, 10. And so on. Okay? Same with counting by multiples of 5. Okay? So, para ka na nagka-counting by 5, 10, 15, 20. Ayan po. And so on. Okay? Okay. For practice, you might want to pause this video and try on your own. Ayan. Okay? Next. Okay. Aside from following the rule given, and we also have the generated rule. Okay, like for example, the given rule is 2n plus 1, wherein we already know that n is already a counting number, so we start with 1. Okay, and then it says that use n, we have to use n 1 up to 10, so we have to generate 10 terms. Okay, so same lang po. Yan. To find or to substitute 1, so 2 times 1 plus 1, that's 3. 2 times 2 plus 1, 5. 2 times 3 plus 1, 7. Then, for shortcut, okay, but in reality, hindi po pwede mag-shortcut, okay? Okay? Up to the last counting number, so we substitute 10. So 2 times 10 plus 1, that is 21. Okay? So the generated sequence, according to the rule, 2n plus 1 is 3, 5, 7, okay, until 21. Okay? Next. Okay, same with 3n minus 1. Again, you just have to substitute the given counting numbers from 1 to 10 to the given rule. Okay. 3 times 1 minus 1, that's 2. 3 times 2 minus 1, that's 5. 3 times 3 minus 1, that's 8. Up to the last counting number, 3 times 10 minus 1, we got 29. Okay, always remember, okay, if n Okay, katabi niya po is number. We always assume that it's multiplication. Okay? So, the generated sequence based from the rule, 3n minus 1 is 2, 5, 8, until 29. Okay. Same with 10 minus 2n. Okay. So, 10 minus 2 times 1, that's 8. 10 minus 2 times 2, 6. 10 minus 2 times 3, that's 4. And last, 10 minus 2 times 10, we got negative 10. So, generated sequence from the rule 10 minus 2n is 8, 6, 4, until negative 10. Okay. So, for practice, you might want to take a screenshot or take a pause of this and try on your own. Okay, next. So, in the last part of generating a sequence, okay, is we do not add or subtract a fixed number. Now, as you can see, based from the previous examples, no, same lang yung number na ina-add natin. Okay, tas naka-generate na tayo ng sequence. Okay, but in this one, yan, when you saw a rule saying, oh, you starts at this number and then you add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so it means when you add 1 to the first term, you have to get the second term. Add 2 to the second term to get the third term. Para siyang domino. Ayan. Until you reach the last number. Sige, let's show on this example para mas malinaw. Okay. You start at 15, then it says that you have to add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so magiging ganito lang siya. Start at 15 being the first term. Okay, always remember pag narinig yung word starts at 15 or any number, you assume na yun agad yung first term. Okay? Then sabi, add 1. So you just have to add 1 dun sa 15. So 15 plus 1, that's 16. And then yung sum na lumabas dun, which is 16, yun naman yung gagamitin mo to get the other term. I-add mo si 2. So 16 plus 2, 18. O another term ulit, 18 plus 3, 21. 21 plus 4 is 25. And then last number, 25 plus 5, that's 30. So the sequence that you generate based on that rule is 15, 16, 18, 21, 25, and 30. Okay? So, parang inano mo lang siya. Si 15, add ka lang ng 1, that's 16. Add ng 2, 18. Add ng 3, 21. Add ng 4, 25. Add ng 5, 30. Ayan, pinapakita dito na hindi certain or hindi same number yung ina-add or sinasubtract natin. Okay? Another, okay, sabi, starts at negative 15, add 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. O, start from negative 15, mag-a-add ng 2, so naging negative 13. Add ng 4, kaya naging negative 9. Negative 9, a-add ng 6, so that's negative 3. So, negative 3, add ng 8, naging positive 5. And then 5 plus 10, that's 15. So, the sequence here is 15, negative 13, negative 9, negative 3, 5, and 15. Okay, for practice, ayan, you might want to pause this video or take a screenshot and then try on your own. Thank you.